slow leave. What's up, guys? We are here at FL2K with the Watch My EcoBoost Zacks car. Got the Raptor, the trailer, all kinds of crazy stuff here. It's looking awesome. So, yeah, Zach is running the 10.5 index class, sponsored by Nostrum Performance. No, his car is sponsored by Nostrum High Performance. That's why it's on the car. And the class is sponsored by Grower. So, yeah, 10.5 index class running with Nostrum. They put him in it. It's awesome. Super excited for it. But yeah. So Zach just did his first pass with a test pass. Just a test and tune. First pass Zach has done in over a year.
Yeah.
Okay, so the viewers want to know, did you crap your pants?
No, actually.
No.
Yeah. It wasn't that bad.
No. Wasn't that bad. It was kind of a slow pass. First test, it was a 12.6 at like 109. So definitely some stuff to work on. 100% traction, but the launch was super slow. It was like a 2.0. So things to work on, things to test, but the first pass this car has done in a year. So we're stoked that it made it down, went A to B, nothing broke, it went straight. We can only go faster from here, so make another pass, we'll do it. We're gonna do some trans brake testing here, guys, because it might need it. Because he basically left in no boost. We need him to leave in boost. Alrighty, guys, so day 2 of FL2K. Unfortunately, I didn't make it here in time to watch Zach make his second pass since he built this motor. He got one pass yesterday, and so far one pass this morning at like around 10:30. It's about 4 o'clock now, almost 3 o'clock now, and we only got one pass in. We had a little bit of rain, but overall the car didn't do as well as we're hoping, and purely because it's not running as much boost. So he was only making like 20 to 21 pounds of boost. So the tuner, basically Ryan, he turned it down a little too much, we're guessing. So we got to turn it back up. He's going to run the more powerful map slot, and we're going to run again here hopefully soon. But FL2K has been pretty good so far. Lots of fast cars here. 208 miles an hour in the quarter mile by a Viper. That thing was crazy. Big twin turbo Viper. I mean, crazy fast drag cars. Like look at that one. Just a lot of crazy fast stuff. We got some crazy Hondas, you know, parked beside us over here. Lots of cool stuff here. I'm gonna try and show you guys some more stuff while we wait for Zach to run again. Hopefully he can go faster. He did use the trans brake this time, so he got a 1.760 foot, but again, lower boost, you know, 8-9 pounds of boost less than we were making on the Dyno, so he's not making anywhere near enough power. Less timing and less boost means way less power, which means slower. So 111 miles an hour. It was like a 12.2 or something, but fingers crossed. Better map slot, more power. We'll push it, and hopefully we can get an 11, maybe a new personal best for him at least, and we'll put it on E85 here this next week. Full E85 with some new injectors, and then we'll probably come back to run at a test and tune where we can get more passes. So let's check some stuff out. All right, guys, so we're back in the lanes. Zach's getting ready to go. You ready, Zach?
I'm as ready as I'll ever be.
You gonna launch her?
I'm gonna try.
Turn on the trans brake?
Yep.
1.560 foot?
I sure hope so.
Let's do it, man. Pound it. We got Nostrum up in front, guys, and their Subaru should be good. We'll get some stuff, all kinds of crazy stuff in this class. CRX, RX-7, crazy stuff. Didn't exactly get faster. Oh well. Alrighty guys, that is gonna be it for Zach running. I don't think we're gonna come back tomorrow. Mainly because the car's not anywhere near competitive, so there's no reason to run. I'm gonna do a lot of logs and stuff tonight and everything and get it dialed in hopefully. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll check you next time.
He's keeping up, bro. Put the flashes on him. If the Cavalier could start at a higher RPM, he would have kept up. Easy, man.
Thought it was gone.
Did you give him the other lane?
Oh, and I got cheap gas in here too.
Hey, let the cabbie take the hit. What? Let the cabbie take the hit. Go when he goes. There we go, run, cabbie, run! He put the hazards on. Too much traffic. Alright, watch out.
Alright guys, I don't know if that footage was any good because I wasn't filming. We'll blame Cody here.
Yeah, well, the little microphone kept hitting the windscreen, but other than that, yeah.
Oh, well, hopefully he filmed it good, but how's it feel to get gapped
Yeah.
in your
Cavalier.
dad's Cavalier?
You're sitting
Yeah.
on the trunk like you're just posing up.
It's okay, he has that and it's kind of fast.
It's pretty fast.
It's kind of fast.
Yeah.
I mean,
This thing's almost as fast.
yeah, they got beat by Miata.
Yeah, that Miata makes a lot of power though.
But, I mean, that Miata is basically full bolt-on on 93.
I didn't know we were actually making a YouTube video.
I had the top down though, so I had like all the aero against me.
I guess we're just roasting Zach.
It's,
I could have hopped in the Miata, made it a little more fair.
we could do it again.
No, this thing.
I didn't think I was gonna win.
Someone's gonna blow a head gasket or
Yeah,
something,
I think I
man.
blew a head gasket before that run, so that's probably what.
Is that your new thing, blowing head gaskets?
Yeah.
Better than blowing trannies. That's what I did in my Cavalier.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, cut the footage right now as you spin around and go in reverse and third gear.
Caleb was blowing trannies in his Cavalier.
At the racetrack.
Yeah.
trying to go into reverse
There were
while going
trannies
forward.
in your Cavalier at the
It
racetrack.
starts, Tommy. You don't need to put that on it.
No one's getting the joke.
Yeah.
No, we got it.
We got
but
the
we're
joke. We just,
trying to stay
we
YouTube
were,
friendly.
Cody and I were there.
Cody was blowing trannies.
And Tommy was there.
No,
This is getting out
Zach
of
wasn't
control.
there. Zach
Break
refused to
trucks.
go circle track racing.
I refused to blow trannies, yeah.
It's okay. We had fun. That's all that matters. But yeah, so hopefully you guys liked the really slow racing video. Like, share, and subscribe.
Barely broke the speed limit.